Hey guys, it's Rianne and I'm so back. I've been away for 2 weeks and I wasn't able to post the video for 2 weeks because we submitted our final plate in design 2 finally. And this video is about why and why not architecture. So why not architecture is about the disadvantages lang of taking architecture. And I'm not discouraging you guys. I just want you to know so that you can prepare. And I also want to thank Jomelyn Padiernos for including my channel on the Facebook post. I really appreciate it. So I'll be so active this week and I might post 2 to 3 videos this week. So first and foremost, why architecture? This may sound very sugar-coated or something, but seriously, it can change your perspective about the world and may in love ka talaga sa architecture, I swear. And if you haven't, you should watch the videos of Zahadid, Frank, Gary, and Bija. I don't know how to pronounce it though, basta ayon. Kasi it was really amazing how they can change the environment around them, how it can change the people. Hindi lang dahil nakakapag-picture yung mga people sa harap ng mga gandang buildings nila, but because it can change how the people behave around that building and how it can create crossing points na mas magiging pleasant yung meeting ng mga tao na yon. And likewise, sa residential, 'di ba? May mga bahay talaga na sobrang maaliwalas, 'di ba? And 'di ba kapag ganyan yung environment natin, nafi-feel mo na sobrang productive ka and parang mas nai-inspire ka para gumalaw. So yeah guys, I'm encouraging you to watch interviews of those prominent architects, not just merely checking the pictures. Kasi yun ugali natin, lalo na kapag first year pa lang, 'di ba? Ang pakialam natin nasa aesthetics pa lang. Pero importante kasi yung context behind those structures. Second, eto pa ulit-ulit talaga to tinatanong eh. Ate, kailangan po ba magaling mag-drawing? Paano po pag hindi pa talaga marunong mag-drawing? I swear guys, matututo kayo. Lalo na kapag nag-drawing kayo ngayon pa lang, pag nag-practice kayo ngayon pa lang. And I do believe in the theory of Jean-Baptiste Lamarck in biology. It's the theory of use and disuse. It says that when living things don't use their body parts, nag-evolve talaga sila and nagbabago yung gamit nila. One of the example that he gave there is the giraffe. Diba yung giraffe, super haba ng leeg niya? And sabi niya, kaya daw humaba lalo yung leeg ng giraffe is because, diba inaabot niya yung mga tree and dun siya kumakain. So ayun, likewise in drawing, it's more like a muscle memory na kapag paulit-ulit yung ginagamit or paulit-ulit yung tinitraining, mahasa talaga siya and mas masasanay siya na ganun yung ginagawa niya. So yung iba, gumagaang talaga yung kamay nila. Third one, you'll get a lot of praise. Anong course mo? Architecture. Wow! Galing mo naman. Ganyan. Pero, some people see it as negative kasi feeling nila ang yabang daw. But I can see anything wrong with that since pinaghihirapan din naman natin yung ginagawa natin. And we're specializing in what we're doing. And, diba? Go lang. The thing there is that some people see it as drawing nga lang daw, diba? But I believe that they'll soon realize the value of our course, especially pag nagpapagawa na sila ng bahay. So, fourth one is friends. Actually, this is very important in college. In high school, one of my toxic traits is that I used to be very self-centered. So, sobrang honest nun. Ang hassle minsan kapag may kipag-usap ka pa, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yung mga gala after school. Di ba minsan sobrang, ewan ko, kasi sobrang grade conscious ko talagang tao before. But now, talaga ako makipagkaibigan. Kasi sila talaga yung masasandalan mo sa mga oras na nakaka-frustrate. And dahil nga sobrang hirap na ng course nyo, kayo na lang din talaga yung magtutulungan. And may mga time na kapag nagka-cram ka tas hindi mo natapos yung plate mo, tutulungan ka din talaga nila. But you should always remember na kailangan mo din talagang maging super independent. Kasi kapag may mga time na sobrang nahihirapan na kayo, tapos sabay-sabay kayong nagka-cram, syempre, di ba, kahit umiyak ka dyan, wala silang magagawa kundi ngitian ka na lang from afar. Kasi, syempre, sila din, may kailangan din silang tapusin. Last one, you'll be matured and responsible. I know a lot of people in high school na sobrang G palaging umalis, pero natututo ng tumanggi ngayon. Ipiliin mo na lang umuwi at gumawa para makatulog ka naman kahit saglit kasi nga 7 AM pa yung class mo bukas. So, hindi ka naaalis. So, why not architecture? Kapag title lang talaga yung habol mo. I know someone na title lang talaga yung gusto sa architecture before. Pero kasi kapag natuto ka ding magmahalin yung architecture, yung ginagawa mo, magbabago din talaga eh. Pero kung yun lang talaga yung iniisip mo, I don't think kaya kanyang dalin hanggang makagraduate ka. Kasi kung hindi mo talaga mamahalin yung ginagawa mo, mapapagod at mapapagod ka talaga. Second, guys, magastos. Oh, no! I read a comment in Buhay Architect a few days ago that says that depende daw sa grade na gusto mo. But, yeah, no offense, I don't think that's how it works. Kasi, investment talaga yung architecture and TechPen pa nga lang, sabi ko sa inyo, some profs knows how to distinguish the difference between two and ayun, madami din talaga sa amin na bumili na ulit ng TechPen kasi medyo mahirap din talaga siyang alagaan, nababali, nagtatai yung ink, natutuyo yung ink, and etc. And someone is asking me about the laptop last time. So, I'll make a separate video about the laptop this week with my friends para mas marami kayong options. Kasi you'll have different choices din. And malalaman nyo din kung ano yung advantages and kung naghahang ba yung laptop na yon and etc. So, ayun guys, magastos talaga eh. Kasi yung tracing paper din nga, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga last time, almost 20 pesos siya each. Not unless bumili kayo sa Jollies near UST, which is very far sa amin dito sa Dasma. And some of my classmates are already ranting na nga about pagiging magastos ng architecture. Kasi, 'di ba, bibili din talaga kayo ng drafting table. Although, kayang makasurvive kung walang drafting table. Pero I swear guys, doble hirap kapag walang drafting table sa bahay. And, pag nagda-drafting kayo sa tracing paper, which is ang laki nga na paper, hassle talaga. Ito lang yung sad minsan. Kasi there are people na naiipit na lang sa architecture because ang dami na nilang nagastos. Kasi investment nga talaga siya. Like, imagine, you already bought a drafting table, a laptop, and the things that you need. Tapos mag-shift ka lang, diba? Then, ayun, kapag iiyakan mo lang lahat. I used to be a crybaby, pero kasi kapag iniyakan mo lang ng iniyakan yan, wala talagang mangyayari eh. Like, wala naman akong sinabing bawal umiyak, kasi minsan, umiiyak pa din ako, pero habang gumagawa na ng plate, ganong level. Hindi ka rin kasi pwedeng umiyak palagi sasabihin ng prof mo. Kasi yung mga prof mo, iba-iba din sila ng mga style. May mga prof na magugustuhan yung gawa mo, may mga prof na hindi. And another one guys, hindi lahat ng plate bumabalik. May mga plate na bumabalik na nakatapos ka na ulit ng 10 plate bago pa siya bumalik. You'll really have to learn by yourself. Kasi in college, hindi talaga school. Oh no! Kailangan mo din talaga siyang matutunan sa sarili mo. So, yung mga nagtatanong na, tuturuan po ba kayo mag-drawing? Tuturuan po ba kayo ng ganito ganyan? Tuturuan ba kayo ng ganito ganyan? Most of the time kasi sa college, ituturo yung basic concept, basic idea about that thing. Pero hindi siya ituturo sa'yo hanggang sa super duper duper sagad na level na. Most of the time, yung basic lang yung ituturo. Tapos, ikaw na yung di-discover do sa mga susunod na steps na pwede mong gawin. Ayun, kailangan mo din talagang mag-explore. Kung sa drawing, kung tuturuan kayo, oo, may mga prof naman na magtuturo din talaga kung paano. Pero hindi like yung step by step na, like sa YouTube na, oh, ito, lilinyahan mo to, gaganyanan mo yan. Aaralin mo talaga siya mag-isa. And like, hindi lang sa amin na, most of the schools na alam ko, ganun din. So, about the salary, I asked one of my prof before, anonymous, sabi ko, and one of the biggest thing about this is yung insecurities na matatanggap mo pag nag-take ka ng architecture and yung frustrations. Diba sabi ko nga, kakapasa lang namin ng plate namin last time. And imagine, ilang araw akong hindi natutulog. Pinagdaanan ko talaga yung 48 hours na straight. Gigising ako, una kong gagawa ako ng plate. Ang pahinga ko lang kakain ako. Gagawa na ulit ako ng plate. Iidlip lang ako saglit. kapag magpapasahan ng design plate, ganun talaga yung buhay namin. Kahit na ganun mo katagal ginawa yung plate mo, mafo-frustrate ka pa din. Kasi dito sa architecture, hindi mo maiiwasang i-compare yung gawa mo sa ibang tao. And ito yung field na madami din talagang magaling. Like, 'di ba? In archi groups nga, 'di ba, nakikita natin na sobrang daming magaling mag-drawing. You'll see both of the extremes. May mga super duper galing na hindi mo alam kung paano nila nagawa yon. And there are people na nagsa-start pa nga lang matutong mag-drawing. Ayun, hindi naman din makakahadlang yon kung gustong-gusto niyo talaga yung ginagawa nyo. Because I've seen my classmates improving a lot din, na yung iba na nagsa-start pa lang matuto dati, na sobrang laki talaga ng in-improve, guys, I swear. So, ayun, wag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Kailangan lang talaga gusto niyo yung ginagawa nyo. And just be sure what you're doing. And that's the best thing about architecture, I can say. That is the why and the why not of architecture. Kasi, kung gaano kahirap yung pinagdadaanan nyo, ganun din kasarap kapag natapos nyo yung bagay na yon. Like, imagine, 'di ba? Nakagawa ako ng bahay. Nakatapos ako ng isang bahay. And lalo na kapag na-drawing nyo na yung bahay na yon, na buong perspective, 'di ba? Parang nakikita nyo na talaga na napupunta na talaga sa reality yung dreams nyo. And 'di ba? Parang it's really possible. So yeah, guys, in the end, nasa sa inyo pa din yan. So I hope you learned something, and please leave your comments down below. I'll be so happy to answer those questions. And please forgive me nga for not answering a lot of questions last week and last week. And ayun, may intindihan nyo yan kapag may design plates na din kayo. So, I'll post another video more like Wednesday. You can also turn on the notification bell so that you can easily get updates. So, yun lang, guys. God bless.